I want to know from you that what you felt about the interview. What went right, what went wrong as per you.
Okay. Sometimes I was lagging from convincing skills. Like I easily gave up while convincing. So that's the one thing. And it was really good. It was the questions were really new for me. I haven't heard it from anybody. So that's it, sir.
Okay, so I'll tell you my feedback basically. Okay,
Okay.
the first thing I want to mention is in your intro part. Whenever you give your intro, na, you should add some achievements also. Like you
Okay.
might have some achievements, right? In school,
Okay.
colleges, you should add them. If you are a dancer, you are a singer, you are a
Okay.
artist, you are a sports person, whatever you are, you can
Okay.
add all the achievements and awards what you have
Okay.
received. Okay,
Okay.
so first thing. Second thing, I want to appreciate one thing that the answer which you were giving now in very first go, that were really like I respect the answers which you were giving because the answer was
Okay.
satisfactory to me. When I was listening
Okay.
as a customer, na, it was satisfactory for me, right?
Okay.
I was feeling like that the answers were up to the mark. Whatever I
Okay.
was expecting, you were giving the same answer. Okay, but one
Okay, sir.
thing I was I felt you can add this thing, a two-way communication kind of thing. Okay, so
Okay.
you can ask more questions to me. Okay, whenever I'm giving you a situation, suppose if I'm telling you
Okay.
that I want to buy a fish, or you have
Okay.
to sell an Audi to a rickshaw puller,
Okay.
right? So in
Okay.
all those situations, you can have a cross question kind of thing. Okay, so you can
Okay.
ask that why do you need this, right? Because I am
Okay.
coming to your shop. Because see,
Okay.
fish and Audi are kind of thing which you can come you cannot come to my house to sell, right? So I
Yeah.
have to come to your place, right? I'll come
Okay.
to your showroom to buy a fish.
Yeah.
I'll come to your shop to buy a Audi, right?
Yeah.
So that is kind of thing, right? So in all those situations, I might be having a mindset behind buying all these things,
Okay.
right? So you have to
Okay.
confirm with me, right? You have to
Okay.
ask me,
Okay.
sir, may I know what is your requirement? Why do you need an Audi?
Okay.
Because you also know that
Okay,
he
sir.
earns less. Okay, so he might be having some plans behind that, right? If you require something,
Okay, sir.
then you go to the shop, right? Right.
Okay.
So we
Yeah.
should always
Yeah.
ask. We'll get all the points from the customer only. If the customer
Okay.
signifies that I have this particular requirement, right? Then
Yeah.
we won't be having any cross questions, right? We will
Yeah.
we'll simply attack on the pain points wherever the customer
Yeah.
is lacking, and we'll
Yeah.
be
Yeah.
able to
I can
convince
get.
him easily. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
we should do this in every question, be it any question. If I'm asking you a sales
Okay, sir.
question, a BDA question, any question, okay,
Okay.
and you have to work on academics part, right? Because in
Yeah.
academics,
Okay.
you
Okay,
can
sir.
give any question, okay? So work on
Okay.
all those parts. They are simple questions. See, academics
Okay.
will not impact the interview at all, right?
Okay. Okay,
And
sir.
you should know basic questions because whenever
Okay.
you face a customer, right, definitely he can cross question you. See, ma'am, I don't know Baiju. I know only you, right? So I am asking few
Yeah.
questions from you.
Yeah.
If you will not answer me, then how will I have a satisfaction? I will always have a trust issue, right?
Yeah.
That is the
Yeah. Sure.
problem. So work on the
Okay.
academic part. A basic questions you should know. Newton's second law. You told me Newton's third law, basically, right?
Okay, sir.
I asked you second
Okay.
law. That's why I mentioned that tell me
Okay.
third law. Okay. So that you get a point
Okay,
that
sir.
okay, I mentioned third law by mistake. So I should go for second law, right?
Okay.
So I was trying to make you
Okay.
remember.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So work on the academic part. Rest, I would appreciate the skills because you are never
Okay.
giving up.
Okay, sir.
I saw this in you that whenever you are answering a question, you are never giving up. The
Okay,
best
sir.
thing in you is you are trying to convince at every situation. I was trying to manipulate you many times. I don't want this, I don't want that. I was trying to do that. Even
Okay,
in
sir.
sex question also, I was trying to tell that I have a good sex, I have everything, right? But even
Yeah.
after all this, you were trying. That was the best
Yeah.
part. So not leave this in an
Okay.
interview. Whenever you're giving
Okay,
an
sir.
interview, try to convince as much as you can. Because see, whenever
Okay,
you go
sir.
to a customer, na, definitely he'll say no at the very first go. He won't say
Yeah.
yes. If you're selling
Yes, sir.
of 1 lakh, then definitely he'll say
Yeah.
no.
Yeah.
No, I don't have
Yes, sir.
requirement. I have home tuitions, I have physical tuitions, right?
Yeah.
It's your job to convince him to buy the application, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
That is the best part in you that you never give up. Be it any
Yes, sir.
situation, be it any, you are never giving up. And you are giving
Okay.
good explanation. Because I have seen
Okay,
many
sir.
candidates who are just trying to fool the customer. I'll say
Okay.
in frank words that they are just trying to fool a customer. but I saw that
Yeah.
you are telling a genuine thing to me, right? Whatever you told me, that was quite
Okay.
genuine.
Okay.
It was kind
Okay.
of building a trust. You are basically building a
Okay.
trust with the customer. That is the
Okay.
best thing in your sales skill. Okay.
Okay.
So rest, I feel everything was good in the interview. Okay. From
Okay,
beginning
sir.
to till the end, everything was good. Just
Okay.
you have to work on the intro part because see, intro is the first impression basically. है ना? So you
Okay.
cannot
Okay.
neglect the first impression. You have to work on that part.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir.
And whatever feedback I gave you, just work on those. Rest, you are perfect. The
Okay.
answers are perfect.
Okay. Sir.
Frequency is perfect. Fluency is perfect.
Okay.
And the
Sir.
explanation which you give is perfect. So those all things
Okay.
are
Sir.
perfect as per me. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
just work on the feedbacks which I gave you. That will be all for you.
Okay. Sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
We'll give you some notes as well. Okay, regarding this. Okay.
Okay.
So just go through all of that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Just have an idea about this. Okay.
Okay.
And then definitely you'll do better.